Oh yeah, I'm about to dive into the world of making ramen noodle, I guess you can call it noodle soda. Yeah, and I'm using this curry ramen right here, the 50th anniversary flavor that they have, a flavor they came out for their 50th anniversary. But yeah, let's dive right into this. So first I'm gonna make some syrup so that way I can make some curry syrup, and I'm gonna add 4 cups of water to this pot. Take it on over to my stove and get this water kind of a light boil, not rapid boil, but a light boil. And then after that, I'm going to bring that baby back over to the table and we're going to add some sugar. We're doing a 1-in-1 syrup. That's right. 4 cups of water, 4 cups of syrup, just like this. And then after that, we're going to mix this baby up really, really good so that way all the sugar dissolves and then we have a syrup. Just a simple syrup. Then after that, I'm going to crack open that curry ramen noodles, that curry cup of noodles. And we're going to try and get all the flavor out of this baby as much as possible. That's right. So I'm going to add the seasoning to a bowl. And then I didn't record this part because it was a struggle to get this big chunk of noodles out. So you're going to put the noodles in the bowl and then you're going to add some of this simple syrup to it. That's right. So simple. 1-in-1 syrup. All right, so we're gonna add the syrup. Look at it. Never thought I'd be making this stuff. Curry syrup. Very interesting. So I'm gonna mix it around real good, try to get all the seasoning that's stuck in between the noodles. Then I'm gonna let it sit probably for about 30 minutes. Yeah, until it looks like this. Now I'm gonna take this big old chunk of noodles out, and then it's time to do the hard part. Separate all that stuff in there from the syrup. And this takes a little bit to do, so I'm not going to really bore you too much by having you watch me do this process, but it comes out looking like this. A nice jar full of curry syrup. Interesting, right? And the smell itself, not bad. It smells almost like a molasses syrup. Interesting. My exact thoughts. All right, so I mix it up really, really good. Then I'm gonna give it a little taste because I'm very curious. And the taste is really not bad. It's sweet. If you like curry, it tastes kind of like curry syrup. Interesting. All right, so now we move on to the next step. Now it's time to make some soda. Look at my beautiful curry bottle. That's right, my bottle of curry soda is coming right up. So it's time to fill this baby up with just a little bit of syrup. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the curry syrup. I got to get used to saying curry syrup. Interesting. Curry syrup. All right, so I add about 2 tablespoons of the curry syrup, and it's looking pretty good. Has a nice color to it. And now I'm going to add some of this good old seltzer water. Carbonated water, any carbonated water will do the trick, as long as it comes out nice and bubbly like soda. So I fill up my beautiful jar of curry soda. Interesting. Never thought I'd be drinking curry soda. All right, now that I have that baby filled up, it's time to put the lid on it. Let all those flavors mix in really nice for about a couple of minutes. And then after that, it's gonna be time to crack this baby open. Yeah, interesting. My taste buds are going crazy. It wants to know, how does this stuff taste? Does it taste like curry soda? I don't know. I've never had it before, but we're going to find out. Interesting. I love the look of it. All right, so I crack it open. I take a little listen to it. Nice and bubbly. And now I do what I came here to do. Take a sip. Interesting. Very, very clean, kind of sweet, kind of curry. It almost tastes like I'm drinking bubbly cup of noodle juice. Very interesting. All right, guys, so I made some. I think it's your turn to go make some of this. Not bad at all. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Yum.